Okay, with a disclaimer before the video starts, there is no commentary in it, so if you'd like non-commentary, click ahead. If you don't, then I don't know. But just a quick disclaimer: there will be no commentary. There will be just gameplay, and yeah, that's it.
What I found.
Don't touch it, man. He'll kill you. How long till the boss gets here?
He'll be here.
Riley said he saw the bat. Is he here too?
In Arkham City. Why would he come here? You guys just need to chill the hell out.
It's Batman!
What the hell?
Sorry to disappoint you, boys. It's just little old me.
This is where you're gonna die. Your mom. You're gonna be my Catwoman. Arkham City is gonna be your grave.
Now that they're all taken care of, it's time to get what I came for out of that safe. Try and get one over on me, will you, Harv? I don't think so.
Get your filthy paws off that now.
Wake up, Mr. Wayne. We have much to discuss.
Strange? You won't get away with this.
I already have.
This is Vicky Vale, reporting live from Arkham City, the controversial super prison built right here in the heart of Gotham. In a few moments, Bruce Wayne will be live on stage to explain his sudden interest in Gotham politics. The infamous Playboy millionaire has never been one to...
It's billionaire, Vicky. Millionaires are so last year.
I assumed that you thought yourself untouchable. Well, as you can see, no one is untouchable.
Thank you! Thank you, Gotham! Imprisoned behind these walls, gang leaders are fighting a bloody war in the middle of our once great city. Every inmate from Arkham Asylum and Blackgate Prison has been relocated to this facility. How can this be safe for the people of Gotham?
Shut Arkham City down. It's out of control.
Shut it down. By the end of tonight, I will be a hero. Just like you, Batman.
Today, I'm starting the campaign to close Arkham City and make Gotham safe again. Remember, Wayne is the priority target. Surround him!
Hands in the air, Wayne. We have Wayne.
Target secured.
I feel I should thank you. Capturing Bruce Wayne is so much easier than Batman. And now that we have you, Protocol 10 is ready to begin. It will be my legacy, a monument to your failure. And if you try to stop me, I guarantee everyone will know your secret.
You are mine, new inmates. Let me introduce myself. I am Professor Hugo Strange.
What the hell are you doing? You think we wouldn't hear you?
Up until this point, you have shown total disregard for society and yourself. From this moment on, you are no longer part of the society that you have shown no.
Welcome to Arkham City, Wayne.
You have been separated from the good people.
Kill your butler. You're gonna die.
By committing the
You're gonna be my
actions that
bitch,
resulted in you being sent here.
On the ground.
You have
Now!
given
What are you waiting for?
No one arrest me.
Line A, move!
No more Sionis.
Wait, Strange.
You're in line A. You bear down. I hear penguins put a price on your head.
You two get out of the way. Wayne, get your ass up here.
I did. What's it to you?
Bruce Wayne, you're on my list.
Come on!
Bang!
Move up, prisoner!
Lower your weapons. Mr. Wayne will not be any trouble. Will you, Mr. Wayne? The cuffs can stay on. We don't want to make things too easy, do we?
Close the doors. Prepare for insertion.
I can't believe I'm gonna die here.
Bruce Wayne? Great. Here I was reporting on your crummy press conference, and now here we both are. I guess that'll teach you to get involved in politics, won't it?
Listen to me carefully. When they open the door, do not panic. Stay close to me.
Do you think I'm taking advice from some guy who's never even been in a fight?
Stay calm. They're trying to scare us.
Sorry, man. It's every man for himself. Please!
On your feet, Ryder.
I said get up. Well, look who it is. Welcome to hell, Brucey. Lights out, rich boy. Wakey, wakey, Wayne. Oh, what's up? Do you need me to call you butler?
Cobblepot.
Oh, you remember me. I'm touched. Your family destroyed mine, Wayne. This, well, let's just call this good old-fashioned revenge. Ah! Get him! Ah! Hurt him! Think he's broken my bloody hand! Get this gate open now! How do you do that? Don't let him get away!
higher ground and contact Alfred.
Alfred, have you got my location?
Only just, sir. There's more interference than usual.
I need an immediate drop on the roof of the Ace Chemicals building. I'm on my way there now.
Of course.